Pharaoh has been dead for 30 years. Night. Just waiting for him to eat. Suddenly, I get some sort of unexplained gasp. Lao Wang's instant feeling is that the box of the hand is not fragrant anymore. He stands up and looks for the source of the sound. Yes, it's the same as the one next door. Pharaoh suddenly lost his spirit. On the top, the real boy started to fight. A man who has been around for 30 years. Straight is too deadly. It's great to think of the sound of music. Then Lao Wang went to the window, looking at the house. I want to watch it live. Too bad the net is too short. Can't see it at all. The next day, Lao Wang went to work as usual. Take the car home. Waiting at home on the road. And there was a middle-aged man standing in the window. The mouth is constantly risking. He saw Lao Wang's waiting. One thought. And then he went to the window. Lao Wang is also wrong. It can also produce such a beautiful sound. You can't look good. Lao Wang returned home with all his doubts. It's a pity that my good brother yesterday, Zhenyu, Lao Wang's regret. And then a wonderful sound came out of the next room. With a broken heart, Lao Wang had no choice but to lie down on the wall again. Really listen to the beautiful voice. About halfway through, Lao Wang got up again to take a look. The wall next to the fruit is black. The cow is that people are not there, waiting for him to return. The big restaurant next door actually sold a lot of food back. But the warehouse sound is wrong in the ear. Are poisonous. Help the man who can save the body. It's already 12 late at night. Next door, there was fantastic sound coming from everywhere. Lao Wang was sleeping at night because of the sound. When you arrive, Lao Wang is instantly awake. Ta is the girl imprisoned by the big house next door. The girls cry for help. Lao Wang feels that things are not right. If it is really, am I going to help? One is not. It's a big deal. Then how do you like to live in this place? Thinking of Lao Wang, I feel a little pain. This is the exit port. Do you want to take a look? Lao Wang has repeatedly said to Yu Zi, yes, I will definitely go to the house to have a look. But when it comes to the mouth, this is a deep thought. I dare not press the button. I guess I'm afraid I won't be able to fight big. Oh. Then kill Lao Wang. Looking at the fruit knife of the big hand, you don't have that terrifying look in her eyes. Lao Wang thought to himself that he had provoked marijuana. I'm so sorry. If you knew it earlier, it would be wrong. Just mind your own business. But it was too late. The next day, when I think of Pharaoh Wang, I go to work. According to him, the original price is the warehouse. They don't have girls in their homes. And he got the sound. It is the pronunciation of Lao Wang's family. So where's the real world sound? Just as Pharaoh was coming home, he got there again. Lao Wang is sorry. What exactly is this? So he went to find it with the sound of the fruit is in his waiting time. The sound suddenly got louder. No, it's the sound of the warehouse. Pharaoh twisted and looked at the gap. But the paint is so black that you can't see anything. He pulls out his hand to illuminate. I don't know if I don't see it. Take a look and jump. Lao Wang died in CQ after being killed. So what did he see? Men come home from work. At the back of the road, I got a strange sound. Out of curiosity, he immediately sold the love of the hand. I don't know if I can see it. Take a look and jump. Lao Wang was lost. There are no girls in the warehouse. The sound that arrived before the loot. She has been held captive there for at least 3 days. The girl begged him, with all his strength, to save herself. Mouth keep paining. Be careful.